In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to find the best Uber Eats promo codes in 2025. You can save yourself a ton of money and get a bunch of free food simply by applying a promo code into your Uber Eats app. And this is going to supply you with a balance in your Uber Eats application, which you can spend on food. So let me show you guys a Uber Eats promo code that I've discovered, and you can use it right now in 2025. So you can see I'm using a mobile phone, so it's very important you use your mobile phone for this, guys, because there is a bit of a process to get your promo code. And then you've got to go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. So, Robot Coupons, guys. This is, of course, a coupon code website that I discovered. And they have a bunch of different pages on here. So there is a search bar here where it says use this handy search bar, search now. And I'm going to search for Uber Eats. And this is the page that you need to navigate your way to. And there's a couple of different codes here. You can get a $100 Uber Eats account credit code. And you can get your next 3 Uber Eats food orders for free. So you just basically have to select the code you want. In this case, this is a $100 Uber Eats account credit promo code. And you need to unlock your code. Of course, this code is super valuable and they are limited in number. So there is a process of unlocking your code. Let me just reformat that. So basically, guys, you need to unlock your code. And to do that, you tap on Unlock Code. And you can see this is going to count up to 100%. And then you're going to see this screen that says Code Unlocker, and you just need to basically follow the instructions on this page. It says here, complete 2 of the offers below to unlock your code, and just follow the instructions below each one. So basically, you can see I've got a list of tasks here, and I need to basically complete 2 of them. And you can see below each one there is a set of instructions telling you how to complete it. So this one here says follow the instructions on the next page. So basically all you would do is click on that and it's going to tell you what to do. So basically you have to go to the App Store and search for that app. Alternatively, there can be ones like this one, Travel Town, where it says download and complete level 9. So this is a mobile game. So if you was to choose this one, you would click on it and it will take you to the App Store where you have to download the game and complete level 9. There is also surveys where you basically have to answer questions and just fill in whatever info it requires. So just do that, guys. Complete 2 of them. Doesn't matter which 2 you choose, and once you've fully completed them, guys, your code will be revealed. So, I don't want to waste a code for this video, but basically if you complete 2 and then come back to this page, your code will be fully unlocked. And then you can apply it in Uber Eats app, and that is how to get the best Uber Eats promo code. So enjoy, guys. Head on over to Robot Coupons and unlock your promo code now.